Hey guys, thank you for tuning back in. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve healthy, glowy skin. This is my 2-week routine and I literally feel like this routine has changed my skin and my skin just looks so radiant and so glowy, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that. So I usually start with my Clarisonic. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to take my L'Oreal Fine Flowers Cream Gel Wash and I'm going to apply a small amount to the inner circle of my Clarisonic, and then I'm just going to go in circular motions and just exfoliate my skin using this Clarisonic. These Clarisonics are so amazing, guys. If you have never tried them, you need to try them. Like, they make your skin feel so smooth. Definitely recommend buying one, and this one was super inexpensive and it's actually really good. I'll leave all the information of each product that I've used and all the links down in the description bar. Don't worry guys, I've got you. So here I've just washed my face and I'm just patting dry with my towel. Next I'm going to take my face razor or my dermaplane. I'm going to pull my skin tight towards my hairline and shave away all the peach fuzz and the sort of like the facial hairs that we all have. A lot of people don't realize once you've done this, your skin is super clean, your makeup sits a lot better, and it's actually a way of exfoliating your skin. There's so many skincare benefits. Look at that. This is also really great for like acne scarring and also fine lines. It's definitely something I would recommend. I mean, a lot of people are skeptical about using a dermaplane because they feel like their hairs are going to grow back really thick, but I haven't actually found that, and I've been doing this for a few months now, and it just makes your face look so smooth and clear, and yeah, it's just, yeah, would defo recommend this step. Look how clean my skin looks. So next I'm going to use my facial steamer. Again, I bought this from Amazon, and don't worry, all the links will be down below. So I'm just going to apply some water and my lavender oil. Lavender oil is actually antibacterial, so it's great for like preventing acne. It helps to unplug the pores, and it also helps to soothe the skin as well. So next I am taking my eucalyptus oil. So this is great if you've got oily skin. It helps to lift excessive sebum. It helps to deeply cleanse pores and also help fight against acne. So I like to move my face around when I'm steaming just so it can get every single angle of my face. Once I've finished steaming, I like to wash my face with warm water and just pat dry with a towel. Next, I'm going to use my Kaiso Beauty facial mask with my Stila foundation brush. So I'm just going to apply that to my skin, avoiding my eye and lip area. You don't need a lot, guys. You just need a thin, even layer, and you want to leave that on for 15 minutes. Whilst that mask is doing its thing, I'm going to take my honey lip scrub from Lush and I am going to exfoliate my lips. This is a great way to pass the time, and obviously your lips do need exfoliating, guys. Once 15 minutes has passed, I'm going to take my soft facial flannel and remove the mask that's left on my face. It's important that it's soft. You can also use a muslin cloth as well, guys. Warm water is also fine. Next, I am going to take my derma roller in 0.25 millimeters, and I'm using this to help rejuvenate my skin. It helps towards acne scarring. It also is great for helping your skin to absorb product. So yeah, that's why I usually use this. This is also amazing if you've got oily skin. Guys, this has helped my oily skin massively. Just be really careful, especially around the nose area, because it can be a little bit painful, but you don't really want to add too much pressure. Next, I'm taking my ordinary caffeine solution eye serum, and I'm going to apply this to my under eye. This is great for reducing dark circles. Next, I'm taking my Balance Hyaluronic Intense Hydration Serum and I'm applying that to the 4 points of my face. Now this is great. I mean, I've got oily skin, but once I have shaved my face or used the dermaplane, I find that my skin is a little bit more on the dry side. So I like to use this. Next, I'm going to use some retinol in 0.5 from The Ordinary, and I'm going to apply this to my cheeks and massage it into my skin. If you're over the age of 25, you definitely want to be adding retinol to your skincare routine. It's amazing for hyperpigmentation, any dark spots. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. It's just a great product. So now I'm taking my Carmex to condition my lips. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Triple Active Moisturizer and I'm going to apply that to my skin. This is just a great moisturizer and it's literally so inexpensive, and I can't believe it's not more popular, but it's really, really nice. It leaves your skin feeling so smooth. So next, I'm taking an ice roller to help shrink my pores and just to help to lock in all that goodness I've applied to my skin. There are so many benefits to ice rolling. It's great to reduce puffiness, inflammation, bags under the eyes. It helps to lift your skin. This is just a really, really, really great step, guys. And it also helps with oiliness. I've noticed that since using this ice roller, my skin is a lot less oily. Definitely a good buy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you in my next video. Take care now, bye.